How to transfer Bitcoin out of your PayPal to another wallet. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can do that. So first, you're going to have to jump into your PayPal account and log in. Once you make sure that you've logged into your account, you'll find different options like your crypto, deals, fundraise, and finances up top. You could just go ahead and click on this crypto option, or you could just click on the finances tab right on top. And once you land on this page here, all you have to do is tap on this little arrow icon that's facing on the opposite directions, and you'll get a pop-up here. So basically what you have to do is you can just tap on this send BTC or that you can use to send an external BTC address or to another PayPal customer. So just tap on the send option to move your Bitcoins out of PayPal, and you'll find your recommended top contacts down below. So what you can do is you can search by name, phone, email, or even the BTC address. So if this person is outside PayPal and they have a Bitcoin address, you can just copy that address and paste it right here. But you have to be sure to send it to the right recipient, and crypto sent to the wrong address, for example, a BTC versus BCH, will be lost in the way. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.